Look, Fred! Requesting the bride, please, to... And then... At the count of 3, you have to throw. At the count of 3. 3, 2, 1, and there it goes!
Nasi na lapit sloyo. Ala ala ala. Oh! Hoy, sina yung dagan.
May request the lady to please sit here. May I have your name, please? Lady Jane, alright. So sit down and we'll look for a match for you. Now it's the room and the temple master. Before we proceed with the garter toss, we have to request the groom to retrieve the garter from the lady, from our bride.
Gibidyo na ako. Gibidyo na ako. Picture eh din.
Let's give a big round of applause, please. Okay, now calling all gentlemen. 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 Almer.
Oh.
Mga groomsmen. Oh, gentlemen. Ano sa namin niyo? Mo? Ha? Oh, dinay ako na. Saan pa nga na kadiha? Oh, gentlemen, niriyan. Oy, mga torpe, manday na itong mga gentlemen dire. Gentlemen, please.
Kamu na, usawa ka sa mga ubano.
Ay, kasi. Sana mga kon.
Oh, gentlemen.
Bottoms up na, oy, euro talaga.
Bim Bim Beijing. Jason. Oh, ikaw. Jason. Ay, Mira, please. Ay, sa center. Ay, mo pag-linya ka. Di ba ni Mr. Philippines? Ay, gusto ka. Ala, ikaw. Ikay man mo. Dito ko mo. Dito nga.
Kanaog kay gamay.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Sinitaog na dito. Mag-picture kayo, murag doble na ang video. Pag-picture na si ate ni mo.
Te, pag-picture daw.
Another ritual, the gentleman who got the garter is to put it on the lady. Ha? Sige, stand up sa girlie. Oh, pero sa...
Oy!
Center of attraction for a few seconds. Sige, likod. You have to put it on her leg. Sige. Side ako. Face front. Then, diha ka side. Sige, go. You put it in. Put it on. Saya hashtag. Isuot na nimo sa diha, ana. Diha, ana. Sige. Alright, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. So, our newly married, if it would have been too much, ay, wala pa kaningon ako na. Stay here. If it would not be too much to give Our Lady a quick hit, the chick, wala pa. Sige, it will be too much. So, dinala na namugos. Okay, thank you so much to both of you for the great participation. Thank you.
Ang nidagan mga kasin.
So today is indeed a special day and will forever be etched in the memory of our beloved couple. For this day marks the beginning of their new life together. From this day forward, they shall